Caribbean and Jamaica's #1 seed Chris Binney grabbed a historic silver medal at the Pan American Squash Championships now underway in the Cayman Islands. Binney, ranked 65th in the world, was beaten by tournament #1 seed Diego Elias of Peru 11-7, 11-8, 11-5. He was overjoyed by his silver medal performance.
Obviously, I wish it could have been gold, but again, he's 11 in the world and he's a very good player and he played well that night. And I played him as hard as I could, and unfortunately, it just wasn't meant to be last night. But thankfully, this is a good stepping stone and a good building for next year at the main games. Hopefully, once our team qualifies this week. So I'm very happy again, and I'm really looking forward to what the team event has, so we can show our stuff again and represent for Jamaica, and then hopefully move on to bigger things as.
Binney, the Jamaica and Caribbean #1, first created history at the tournament when he became the first Jamaican to get beyond the quarterfinal stage in the men's singles when he defeated the defending champions. Binney, Bruce Burrows and Lewis Walters Thursday afternoon defeated Guyana 3-0 in the team competition to book a quarterfinal spot Friday morning against Mexico.